Today I want to tell you about a couple of highlights from my trip to the Big Island of Hawaii. So the first and best one to me was the trip to see the lava. And this was right before the giant eruption that happened, and so you had to hike miles and miles across the lava field to get there. I ended up riding a bicycle for, I don't know, about 3 miles, then hiking about 3 miles across this lava field, and then seeing the lava. It got dark, and then I had to hike another 3 miles back and another 3-mile bicycle ride. So about a total of 12 miles total, but it was totally worth it. Got to see the lava right up close. I could have stuck my finger in there if I would have wanted to, and that was one of the highlights of the trip for me. Another highlight for me was the Captain Cook Monument, and this time I actually hiked down there, and it was awesome. When you get there, it's got the crystal clear blue water and then tons of these yellow fish everywhere. So really good snorkeling and a very good exercise hike. I also went to a couple beaches that had some really nice snorkeling and great sand. The snorkeling was amazing, and I saw a lot of wildlife, a lot of turtles and fish, so great trip overall. So that was my trip to the Big Island of Hawaii. I had a lot of other cool things happen along the way, but those were some of the highlights from the trip. Thanks for watching, and aloha.